welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have my new green cold press blender, guys. I have a new one now because the other one is broken, guys, and I'm absolutely so gutted when it broke. So as you can see, it comes a little brush on the side, guys. How nice is it? It does look nice and medium sized, guys, because the other one, it was just so bulky and it just took so much time to clean. But this one, this seems like a really nice, easy to clean. It's not too big. So as you can see, so we have, yeah guys, it's super nice. And this is the size, guys. It's literally super cute. It's not too big, not too small, because I definitely like it. I don't like anything bulky, especially in my kitchen. I just don't like anything that's bulky, guys. Clean and fresh, brand new. Like, I had to get the black, guys. I had to get the black. They did have different colors, but yeah, this is by Fretta, and yeah, I just love this brand. And here we have the 2 cups that go on each side. Yeah, guys, if you haven't got a juice maker, I highly recommend it. It's really nice and silky, guys. Like, it's so smooth. The texture here is like really smooth. I'm sure this goes. Actually, let me double check on the manual. Knowing me, I just ended up breaking it. I've got it. I think there's like a little clip to go in it, I think. Okay, so I finally fixed it. It was a bit tricky, but you kind of have to just click that. I'm not going to do it now because it's just going to take me ages to sort it out again, guys. But yeah, this is more of a lock, like a really lock secure. So you just kind of click that, and then that's when it just really locks it in. So you kind of have to push the button down to like release it, guys. So I'm looking forward to using this, and that's, I've got my little brush to clean things, and then this is where the pulp comes out of here. So I think are they the same? Just wondering, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. Okay, so the pulp goes in here, and then the juice will come out of here. Oh yeah, no, this is a bit different. So this one, as you can see, it has like a bit of a little curved edge, which really slides in nicely through here. And then this is the juice, because it has like the beaker on the outside. Right, we'll have to give this a go. So, got everything all set up, guys. I'm gonna show you what I'm adding in. So I've got my green apples, celery, spinach, pineapple. So I've already cut the pineapple earlier. Yeah, guys, I'm super excited to try this out. I just wanted to just test it out just a little bit. So this is super easy, guys. This is so much better than my last one, because I remember I just had to like add all the fruits in. But this one, guys, I only just had to put like a little bit at a time, I didn't have to use this unless there's like so much, if I'm actually doing something bulky, so maybe like my spinach, might just use it, but like a few apples that's chopped up, you know, it should be fine. But look at it, guys, you can really see the pulp that's coming out of here, and you can just about just see the green juice here, guys. So I'm going to open it up. This is so much better, guys. Like, I really prefer this. It's nice and sturdy, and it is just so simple to use, and it's, like I said, guys, it's not too big, it's not even too bulky, and the sound of it, it's not even that loud, it's just super mild. So yeah, guys, let me see as we can open this up. This is like the best bit, because I have been seeing this online of all the juice makers, all the pulp is coming out this side and then the juice is just coming out this side. Like, guys, I had to get something like this. So yeah, moment of truth, let's see. Woo, look at that, guys. That was the best. A nice juice cleanse. But yeah, guys, I am super happy with this. So yeah, let's keep going. So there you have it, guys. It's all done, nice and full. And yeah, guys, this is all the pulp in here. Like, this is so much easier than my last one, because I remember I had like a big massive bucket, and like I only put like a few of the vegetables in the blender anyway, and like I remember having that big bulky bucket and I had to clean that one out, and then the bucket was really deep, but this is just a really great size for me. So yeah, so much easier to clean and just so much simple and slim. You can really just sit it out on your kitchen countertop instead of having a really big bulky one, which just really takes up the whole room of the kitchen. So this is just a perfect size for me, guys. So now we're going to stir it, and look at all this, guys. Oh my god, I'm super excited to try this. But yeah, guys, this is super easy. I absolutely love it, highly recommend. I will leave a link in the description box down below where I got it from Amazon. So yeah, guys, super happy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.